Hi students, today let us start with the exercise 23C, that is chapter 23, trigonometric ratios of standard angles. So let me do the first question from exercise 23C. Solve the following equation for A if. So let me go to the first sub question. It is given to us that 2 sin A equals to 1. How do we do it? Now we just keep the trigonometric ratios at one side and take the numbers to other side. So you get sin A is equal to 1 by 2. So you tell me, for which value of sin do we get 1 by 2 as the value? So you get sin A equals to sin of 30, because we know that sin 30 is 1 by 2. So here clearly you get A is equal to 30 degree. Okay, is it clear to you? Now let me do the second sub question. What is given in the second sub question? 2 cos 2a equals to 1. Cos 2a equals to 1 by 2. So again, for which value of cos we have 1 by 2? Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, right? So cos 2a is equal to cos 60. So cos is same here. So what is left out here? 2a equals to 60 gives you a is equal to 60 by 2, that is equal to 30 degree. Okay. Now coming to the third sub question. Sin 3a equals to root 3 by 2. Again, for which value of sin do we get the value root 3 by 2? We have sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So I can write this as replace root 3 by 2 by sin 60. 3a equals to 60 degree. A is equal to 60 by 3, that is equal to 20 degree. Now let me do the sixth question. Tan 3a equals to 1. So we all know that tan 45 is equal to 1. For which value of tan it is 1, tan 45. So you can easily write 3a is equal to 45 degree. A is equal to 45 by 3, that is equal to 15 degree. Okay. So similar way you can do rest of the 4 questions in the first main. Okay. Now coming to the second main. Let us do the second main. Calculate the value of A if what is given? Sin A minus 1 into 2 times cos A minus 1 equals to 0. So in this case, how do we solve it? We need to separately take this because it's given as product of this into this equals to 0. So let me take the condition, either sin A minus 1 equal to 0 or 2 cos A minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. So if this is the case, what do you get? Sin A equals to 1 or 2 cos A equals to 1. If this is the case, you get cos A equals to 1 by 2. Now for which value of sin you get 1 as the answer? We all know it is sin 90. So I can write it as sin A is equal to sin 90. So I get A is equal to 90 degree. Similarly here, for which value of cos you get the answer is 1 by 2? It is cos 60, right? Cos A equal to cos 60. So A equal to 60 degree. So your answer will be either A is equal to 90 degree or 60 degree. This is how you find out the answer. Okay, this is the first sub question given. Now coming to the second sub question. Tan A minus 1 into cosec 3a minus 1 equal to 0. So how do we do? You can do it same way. Tan A minus 1 equal to 0 or cosec 3A minus 1 equal to 0. Tan A equals to 1. So tan A is equal to tan 45. So you'll get A is equal to 45 degree. Now cosec 3A equals to 1. So again, for which value of cosec you get 1? Look at the table. By now you will have learned the table completely, right? So for which value of cosec you get the answer as 1? It is 90 again. Okay. So cosec 3A equals to cosec 90. So you get 3A equals to 90 degree. So that is A is equal to 90 by 3. That is equal to 30 degree. So you get either A is equal to 45 degree or A is equal to 30 degree. Is it clear, children? This is how you will be solving this main. Okay. Now coming to the next question. Let me do one more question from this main. So I'll be going to the fifth question. Okay, I'll be doing the fifth sub question. Fifth sub question is given as cosec 2A minus 2 cot 3A minus 1 equals to 0. So how do we do? Same way. Cosec 2A minus 2 equals to 0 or cot 3A minus 1 equal to 0. Cosec 2A equals to 2. So for each value of cosec you get answer as 2. You have cosec 2A equals to cosec 30. Correct? So 2A is equal to 30 degree. That is A is equal to 30 by 2. That is 15 degree. Similarly, cot 3A is equal to 1. For which value cot is 1? Cot 45. So cot 3A is equal to cot 45. So again you will get A is 3A is equal to 45. That is A is equal to 15 degree. Now let me do the fourth main. Okay. Coming to the fourth main. If 4 times cos square x minus 1 equal to 0, where 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 90 degree. Find the value of. So let me find the value from this first. First sub question we need to find is x. Okay. So 4 cos square x minus 1 equal to 0 gives you what? 4 cos square x equals to 1. So cos square x is equal to 1 by 4. Cos x equals to root of 1 by 4 equals to 1 by 2. Okay. So for which value of cos you get 1 by 2? It is 60. So cos x is equal to cos 60 gives you x is equal to 60. There you finished your first sub question. You found the value of x. Now they have given you the second sub question is find the value of sin square x plus cos square x. Substitute x as 60 in both the cases. So sin square 60 plus cos square 60. What is sin square 60? Root 3 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square. That is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equals to 4 by 4 equals to 1. So you get the answer as 1 here. Now coming to the third sub question in that fourth main. What is that? 1 by cos square x minus tan square x. So 1 by cos square 60. We found it as 60, right? Yeah. Minus tan square 60. What is the value of cos square 60? 1 by cos square 60 is 1 by 2 whole square minus tan square 60 is tan 60 is root 3 the whole square. So you'll get 1 by 4 minus 3. It comes up. So you'll get 4 minus 3 equals to 1. So you get the answer is 1 here. Okay. Hope it's clear to you all. Now let me do the 8th question. If sin x plus cos y equals to 1 and x is equal to 30 degree, find the value of y. So let us substitute for x as 30 degree. What do you get? Sin 30 plus cos y equals to 1. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus cos y equals to 1 gives you cos y equals to 1 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, you know it. Okay. Cos y is 1 by 2 means for which value of cos you get 1 by 2? It is 60. So you'll get y is equal to 60 degree. You got the value of y there. Okay. Now coming to this is the first sub question in the 8th main. Coming to the second sub question. If 3 times tan A minus 5 times cos B equals to root 3 and B is equal to 90 degree, find the value of A. 3 times tan A minus 5 times cos B, that is cos 90 equals to root 3. 3 times tan A into cos 90. What is cos 90? Cos 90 is 0. So 5 into 0 equals to root 3. So you'll get, this is 0, right? So tan A equals to root 3 by 3. So this I can write as tan A equals to root 3 by root 3 into root 3. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So I'll get tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Which value of tan A is? Tan is 1 by root 3. That is tan 30 degree. Correct? So you'll get A is equal to 30 degree. Hope it's clear to you, children.